So we're almost done with this series of videos for Editing 101. You have a product that is almost complete. We have to do some fine tuning. In this particular video, we're going to look at splitting clips. We're going to look at adjusting the speed of a clip or two and adding transitions where two clips meet. As you can see, I'm almost done with my project here. I just have a few final touches to do. My video clips almost match the duration of my audio clips. We're going to do a couple of things to make that line up or equal each other. First thing I want to show you is you may want to split a clip. For example, here I have some students walking. And what I want to do is they're walking at a normal pace, but right about here I want it to transition from them walking at a normal pace to a slow pace. So what I want to do is I want to split the clip. The clip is highlighted. I come over to the scissors and I click on split. Now it split the clip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to speed here and I'm going to adjust the duration of this clip here. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. And as I slow it down, if you can see, my video clips are almost aligning to the duration of my audio. See right there, now it equates or is equal. So if I come through here, I can see they're walking at one pace, and then as they get to this section here, it really kind of slows it down. So there's several reasons why you may want to split a clip. You can always drag a clip from left to right, but for more precise trimming or splicing, if you want to call it, you can split a clip, split it, and then delete the portion you don't want to use or add effects to that portion of the clip. So that's one way of looking at splitting. Let's now look at adding transitions to two clips, meaning in between where two clips meet, we want to add some sort of transition. Sometimes the footage itself changing from one to another has like a natural transition to it, maybe because of the content in it. But what we can do is we can come over here to our effects and we have transitions. We can adjust the duration of the transition. We can leave it at default of half a second. And we talked about panning and zooming is on photos only. But let's go ahead and try a slide to right in between these two clips. Just drag it over where the two clips meet and let go. You can see the orange line there. Now if I play these clips, as it comes through, watch for the transition. So it just kind of slid over. So now what you want to do is go ahead and fine-tune the timing of your video by maybe splitting a clip or two, speeding up or slowing down some clips. Get your videos to perfectly align to the duration of the audio clips. Go ahead and add some transitions to a few clips. I like to dissolve to black at the end. So at the very end, basically what happens is it just kind of fades to black right there. I usually do that at the end of all my videos. You can do that in between. A dissolve, if I come through here, is a pretty popular clip. That's where they kind of bleed through each other. So as this one transitions to the other one, they kind of bleed into one another. You see how that there? That's a dissolve. So really, depending on your style and what you're trying to accomplish, play around with some transitions. One thing I would say is not to overuse transitions, but to use them sparingly, intentionally, and to help create the effect you're trying to accomplish. So go ahead and do some fine tuning to your video project. And then we have one more lesson that'll wrap up this segment of Editing 101 video lessons.